Hello.
Hello, Laurie.
Hello.
How are you today?
Okay, but I've got no chance.
Oh, yeah, we're just outside our hotel reception. This is our hotel. Where are we off to today then?
We're on a beach day today.
We're on a beach day. Lots of different beaches.
Hello.
Hello, Laurie.
I'm a bit tired too. We heard all sorts of noises in the night, didn't we?
Oh yeah, we had like all these weird bird sounds.
I sounded like a rattlesnake to me. With his tail. You.
Hey, don't you get me?
I'm gonna get. Hey.
You. Padam Beach. Just having a chill. Just chilling out. Just like, yo, what's happening, peeps? I'm just having a look around. That's what he's saying.
Hello.
Oh.
Look at his face.
I say good day to you, sir. I say good day to you. Speak to me, dear man. You speak to me now. What about you? Will you speak to me? No? Well, I won't. I don't think I don't know unnoticed. Gotta head down through there.
Kita harus menaik begini sih becek. Selamat semua. Ini sulit nih orang ni.
Hey girl.
Hey.
You're naughty, aren't you? No.
Water is nice.
Yeah, it is. There's loads, isn't there? It's all the way down here. Hey! Don't you get me?
You're zooming in. Go away. Hey.
Hello.
Hey.
What have you? So yeah, we're just chilling on the beach, having a sharing platter of fries and a couple of drinks, and then we're just gonna go to another couple of beaches, I think. But it is turning out to be a really good day. Pure determination.
You, get away. Get away. Get away. Oi! Stop now. Listen. I'm taking a picture. Please don't mess around on these stairs, because look, if I fall, you're going home on your own, mate, and I'm in hospital. Don't! You best pack this in. Look, there's people around you now. Move.
According to legend, you never get bit and you never tan with sun cream on. But apparently you never get burnt either.
Hey, this is the first time I've ever been bit.
And burnt.
No, I've been burnt before.
Oh yes, you've been burnt before. When you don't wear sun cream. Are you telling me that you think this view is amazing? Is that what you're telling me?
That's good. It's what Ben's view at home, isn't it?
Are you telling me that you think this is a hell of a view?
Yeah.
Because if you're saying that, then you are. This may be the best view I've seen in years. Hey, stop getting me.
Oh, get away. Okay, stop now.
Oh, let's
No.
get her. Oh.
Go, no.
Oh.
Stop it.
Oh.
Right, I'm going to touch your sunburn.
Oh. Tickle attack.
No, don't. Please.
Tickle attack. Tickle. You.
Ow!
Ah, you got me. Oh, he goes in for sneak attack.
Leave me alone. Stop it.
This is cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Not.
Hey. Don't
Hey, look
you.
at that. No joke. I've got a plastic.
I'm not falling from it, so you can tickle me.
I swear, look, I found it. Look. Swear to God. Look. There you go. See?
Hey,
That's it.
you're sneaking up on me again.